ride of Perez of Argentina. 3:25.799 at the 3,000 meter point. So let's continue to give this rider some encouragement, looking to try and beat the time of 4:25.477. Go on to chase on the other side of the track. Right now looking like a performance that is around about the 7th fastest time at the 3,000 meter point. But we'll see whether he accelerates over the final 1,000 metres. Going through the 3,500 metre point, 7th quickest. Rocking and rolling a little bit, you can see the shoulders are going, it shows that the effort really is telling on the body. Gets the bell, lap time. So 1 lap of 250 metres left for Perez of Argentina. Those shoulders really are putting all the effort in, the pedals turning. But rocking and rolling all the way around the final couple of turns. Let's see what the clock stops at in 4:33.532, 8th quickest so far.